Once upon a time. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. No, the little girl's
You ready to record it?
Once upon a time, there was a bee in our school, and everybody said, "There's a bee!" And they went running all over the place, and the bee went buzz, 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 and that. Then they went to bite the sting the people sting. That's the end of the story.